BTS's RM Kim Namjoon and V Kim Taehyung celebrate military discharge with fans in Chuncheon. On the morning of June 10, KST, RM and V of BTS met with fans at a discharge event held at the sports park in Sinbuk-yup, Chuncheon, Gangwon Province. The two BTS members, Kim Namjoon and Kim Taehyung, have been discharged from military service on June 10, 2025. The duo came out in style. BTS leader RM played the saxophone while V danced to his tunes. Both members faithfully completed their mandatory military service, RM as part of the 15th Division's military band and V as a member of the Special Task Force under the Army's 2nd Corps Military Police. During the event, fans released celebratory balloons to honor the occasion and warmly welcomed the two members back from service.